Hi everyone. This is Mario's, and in today's lesson, let's make an overview of the AWS Cloud Practitioner Mock Exams Guide. The provided content, a $100 gift, showcases a highly detailed and comprehensive resource designed to prepare individuals for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, CLFC02, exam based mainly on PassLeader, a highly reputable resource for the most popular IT exams. This practice test guide, presented as a collection of mock exam questions, covers a broad range of topics critical to success in the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Here's a breakdown of its structure, importance, and value to aspiring cloud practitioners. Key areas covered in the practice test guide. The guide emphasizes essential AWS concepts and services and includes multiple choice questions, MCQs, that reflect real-world scenarios. Below are the primary areas of focus. AWS Cloud Fundamentals. Covers basic concepts such as cloud computing benefits, AWS global infrastructure, and shared responsibility model. Example: questions on the differences between availability zones, AWS regions, and edge locations. Core AWS services. Focus on foundational services such as Amazon EC2, Amazon S3, AWS Lambda, and Amazon RDS. Example: identifying the appropriate storage solution for specific use cases, such as S3 One Zone IA for rarely accessed data. Security and compliance. Deep dive into AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, AWS Shield, AWS WAF, and encryption mechanisms. Example: best practices for securing applications using IAM roles and multi-factor authentication, MFA. Pricing and cost optimization. Explores AWS pricing models like on-demand, reserved instances, and spot instances. Example: questions that guide users to choose cost-effective solutions using AWS Cost Explorer or savings plans. Well-architected framework. Covers the 6 pillars: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability. Example: questions on how to design reliable and fault-tolerant architectures. AWS support and documentation. Highlights the use of AWS support plans, AWS Artifact, and AWS Trusted Advisor. Example: identifying the benefits of the AWS Enterprise Support Plan. Migration and deployment. Includes topics on AWS Migration Hub, AWS Application Migration Service, and AWS Cloud Formation. Example: choosing tools to migrate on-premises databases to Amazon RDS. Monitoring and management. Examines services like Amazon CloudWatch, AWS Config, and AWS Cloud Trail. Example: using CloudTrail to monitor API calls and ensure compliance. Number of questions and format. The practice test guide features over 300 plus MCQs, thoughtfully designed to replicate exam scenarios. These questions are structured with scenario-based problem solving to test real-world decision-making. Detailed rationale for each answer, ensuring users understand not only the correct options but also why other choices are incorrect. References to AWS white papers, FAQs, and tutorials for further reading. Question formats. Single answer multiple choice. Multiple answer questions, e.g., choose 2. Scenario-based questions that assess problem solving and critical thinking skills. Why this practice test guide is an essential tool? Comprehensive coverage of exam objectives. The guide provides a complete overview of all topics specified in the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, CLFC02, exam blueprint, ensuring no key area is missed. Prepares for real-world use cases. Many questions are framed around practical, real-world scenarios, which not only prepare users for the exam but also equip them for solving real cloud challenges. Detailed explanations for learning. Each question is followed by in-depth explanations and references, making it a learning tool rather than just a testing resource. Updated content. Includes the latest AWS services and features, as of 2025, ensuring candidates are well prepared for any new topics introduced in the exam. Cost-efficient learning. Offers a free mock exam experience, making it accessible to anyone looking to upskill in AWS without financial barriers. Supports multiple learning levels. Whether you're a beginner or someone with basic AWS knowledge, the guide caters to all levels by starting with fundamental concepts and progressing to advanced topics. How this ultimate practice test guide ensures exam success. Reinforces key concepts. Repetition of core ideas across different scenarios ensures the user thoroughly understands essential AWS principles. Promotes confidence under exam conditions. The mock exams simulate the actual test environment, helping candidates build confidence and manage time effectively. Beyond the certification. While the primary goal is exam preparation, the practical scenarios and AWS best practices make this guide an invaluable resource for professionals looking to implement AWS solutions. To sum up, this AWS Cloud Practitioner Mock Exam Guide is the ultimate resource for anyone preparing for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, CLFC02, exam. Its comprehensive coverage, real-world scenarios, and detailed explanations make it an essential tool for not just passing the exam, but excelling in the AWS ecosystem. Whether you're an aspiring cloud practitioner or a seasoned professional, this study guide ensures you're fully prepared for this highly popular and in-demand certification. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and stay tuned. Much more to come only in the Academists, your free community of learning and leisure.